So last month, everyone went crazy because NASA released this image, and everyone thought that it was a spaceship, when indeed it was just a comet, wasn't it?
Yes, it was definitely just a comet.
Okay. So something that came out of all of this is people didn't know that it was a comet because you couldn't see two tails in it, right?
Or it was people were saying that there was a tail in a weird direction. So, normally you expect the tail to be behind the comet, and they were seeing a tail in another direction. So they're like, what the hell's going on?
Okay. And another thing that people were asking is what is the difference between an asteroid, a comet, and a meteorite?
So, a comet, let's start with that one, that's the easiest one, is made of rock and ice. People often call it a dirty snowball, right? And it often comes from the edge of the solar system, so beyond Pluto.
Okay, so a long time traveler.
Yeah. So it travels for a long time. So you got things like Halley's Comet that takes like 80 years, whatever, to come around, like, once in a lifetime kind of thing.
Is it also that as it comes closer to his sun, that's when the ice melts, and that's why we see that pretty tail that makes it different to the rest?
Yeah, exactly. So because it's as it's getting closer to the sun, it's getting hotter, and so that ice is starting to boil and break off.
Okay, right, let's move on to the next one.